morning! Welcome to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. You can kind of see it's pretty yucky outside, but it's warm. It's almost 50 degrees. So wet rain washing away this ugly ass snow is good. Yesterday I was super duper on the L side of late. Like, I was on the E of late. Today I'm just on the L. 7:20. I should be getting my coffee already, but I'm not. I'm on my way. It's okay. Had off on Tuesday for Lunar New Year. There are holidays here in New York City that we get that majority of the rest of... Whoops, sorry, gotta make a lane change. Gotta make a lane change. Yep, sorry about that. That we get the rest of the world or country or whatever doesn't get, and it's because we have so many different things to celebrate here. So many different cultures, basically. So we get Chinese New Year off, we get Juneteenth off, we get Eid. We get quite a few holidays off. Not many are for, you know, my nationality, but that's all right. I get Columbus Day because it's they call it Italian and not Indigenous Day. Whatever. But yeah, so let's have a great day. We're here for it all day. So love each and every one of you. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. I'll check in later. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a crappy, rainy, shitty day. Got up. I'm exhausted at work right now. I'm short-handed, so I'm having to be many hands. Instead of just my own 2 or 3 hands, I have to be 4 hands, sometimes 6 hands. So that's wearing me out. I come home and I spend 45 minutes inside of a crate cleaning out poo because someone has an upset tummy. Then I shower, of course, because I've just been in bleach and poo. I am in no mood. None. The mood has, don't even have a name for it. I'm not angry, I'm not sad, I'm not mad. I'm done. Done. Gonna moisturize my face. Chill the hell out. Make dinner. Eat dinner. Come to bed. That's my plan. So this is an early pillow talk because today is a shitty, rainy, crappy day, and tomorrow it's snowing again. Yeah. I hope you all had a wonderful day. Know that even though I may have had a bad day, that I recognize that you too could have had a bad day, and that you could have had an amazing, wonderful day, and something amazing, wonderful happened, and I'm so happy for you if it did. So with that, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the morning.